Welcome back to my channel. This is the Trending Analyst. If you're new, please subscribe. If you're not new, comment. And if you're new, comment too. Like, share, do all that good stuff down below. And you know what this video is about. You read the title. Let's get into it. So here you see me parting my hair. I'm trying to get it as even as possible. And I'm going to go all the way across to the other side. Detangling, making sure I use my hands and not just ripping through. Then tidying it up on the other side to make it more even. Boom. Then I'm going to tie my hair back so I don't get any of that hair in there. Now I'm going to take a comb and start detangling the ends. Now that I'm back in detangled, I'm going to be getting the hair. It is the Cuban Twist hair. One strand, and then I will part my hair, and it's probably like an inch. Once my hair is parted, and I try to make sure that it's as neat as I can get it, but it's not like super necessary. You just want to make sure it's not too wild. Now I'm going to take that one strand of hair and put my hair in the middle, creating 3 strands, and I am going to braid the root. That's how I get it to like really stay and have the hairstyle last a little bit longer. But I wanted to zoom in so you can really see my braiding technique. I usually take the hair with my middle finger, and then once I've braided down as far as I think it should go, probably 1.5 inches, I begin to twist. And as I'm twisting, I am twirling the hair between my fingers so that it's intertwining with the Cuban Twist hair. And I'm gonna continue to do that until it gets a little bit too long and I want to keep the tension the same throughout the twist. So then I'm going to put the hair in my mouth. Look, I'm just being real with you guys. Put the hair in my mouth and twist so I can continue to keep that same tension throughout the entire twist of my hair. And I'm just going to show you one more time. Again, first step, well, not the first, but once you really get into it, first step, part the hair. Use the comb, the other comb, the thicker piece of the comb, to pull your hair back so you're not incorporating that hair into your twist. Trying to keep the parts as neat as possible. Take one strand of the Cuban Twist hair and place your hair in the middle of it. Now take one hand and hold both the Cuban Twist and your hair and twist. And that's how you're going to begin the braid. Grab with the middle finger, grab with the middle finger, grab the center piece with your middle finger each time while you're holding the other strands of the hair with your other fingers. Now, once your hair is back in the middle and you've braided as far down as you think it should go, begin to twist. And while you're twisting your hair, remember to be twirling your hair with the Cuban Twist to kind of melt the two textures together. And this is what it looks like. We're back. So this is how my hair turned out, guys. Real nice. for Valentine's Day coming up. Nice and protected. I'm good to go for a few months. And probably a month and a half. Who am I lying? But if you haven't already, and you made it all the way to the end of the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff down below. And I'll see you next time.